Buju, wago shindagu migizi indodem, gazaga squaji mekag, indunjaba. A common question that comes up regarding Ojibwe culture is, how come dogs are strictly forbidden from coming into ceremony space? And the answers are a little bit variable by community, but one of the most important ones is that we have an ancient story about the first arrival of human beings on planet Earth. And Buju, who is a figure in Ojibwe lore who is half human, half spirit, he traveled the earth with a Maingan, the wolf, and together they traveled the whole extent of the earth and named everything. So named, the words we have for all things, rivers, lakes, trees, and so forth. And after their long journey together and the work was complete, they were told by the Great Spirit that they would have to part ways and stay parted for the rest of time, but that each would have parallel journeys in life. Both would be misunderstood. Both would be persecuted. Both would persevere, and both would make a comeback. And indeed, that is exactly what has happened with both wolves and Anishinaabe people. And because of this teaching, we forbid dogs from coming into ceremony space because they are cousins to the wolf, and it's kind of an honoring of that original instruction that there could be a karmic consequence for having dogs or wolves in our ceremonies. So that's the primary reason that I have heard. In addition to that, we usually don't bring any kind of animals directly into ceremony, so that we can just be focused on the work of healing and communicating directly with the Manidug. Miigwech. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.